Here's another curated recipe from Mon Dessert, raspberry and chocolate charlotte. Charlotte is a cake that is lined with sponge fingers and then filled with a flavoured mousse or custard. This version is a beautiful combination of raspberry and chocolate. Empty the contents of your raspberry powder, 40 grams of sugar and agar-agar into a bowl. Pour 90 millilitres of warm water into the bowl and stir. Leave to cool in the fridge. Pour the contents of your 85 gram sugar sachet into a bowl. Then pour on about 2 tablespoons of boiling water until most of the sugar dissolves. Top up with 100 millilitres of cold water and stir. Find a nice plate on which to present your finished cake. Take your acetate and form a circle using the sticker. We're using the jigsaw moulds that you can purchase from our shop. Open up your boudoir biscuits and dip one into the sugar syrup for about 3 seconds and stand upright against the inside of your circle. Carry on until all the sides are covered with biscuit. Then place boudoir at the bottom of your cake until you have a solid base layer. Keep a few chocolate drops aside for decorating at the end. Empty the rest of the chocolate into a medium bowl and microwave for 30-second bursts until smooth and glossy. Whisk your double cream until you have soft peaks like fluffy clouds. It's easier to do this when the cream is cold. Scoop half your cream into the chocolate and fold it in gently. There will be some marbling and you want your mousse to still be fluffy, so go easy. Take out your raspberry compote from the fridge, pour it into the rest of the cream and fold it in gently as with the chocolate mousse. Layer up your mousses by first pouring in the chocolate and getting it as level as possible in the cake. Now pour in the raspberry mousse and do the same. Put the whole thing in the freezer for about 10 minutes. Take your reserved chocolate buttons and chop them roughly. Take your charlotte out of the freezer and decorate with shards of chocolate and some fresh raspberries. Carefully peel off the mould and tie your ribbon around the cake. Et voila! Original and sure to impress during summer garden parties.